Hello friends, welcome to Infotainment Bangalore. Friends, today I shall help you all to complete the course of 6 modules and 71 units within 10 minutes. And the name of that course is Autocad. This is one of the important course for civil and mechanical background students. So let us quickly get into the course. Friends, this is the course which comes under level 1. So click on level 1 course. You can see friends, you will be directed to this page. Now click on enroll free. You will be directed to the next page. Before enrolling to the course, you need to sign up yourself to the course. Enter your email ID, enter your password, enter your first name, your last name, name of your country. You can select it from the drop box. Now enter the name of your state. After entering the details, click on the checkbox and click on sign up. Now you can see 5 courses, out of which today we are going to complete the course AutoCAD 1, which is a beginner course. Click on start learning. This is the course page, and friends, to complete this, what you have to do is just click on complete and continue. Keep doing the same for each and every unit. Once you click on complete and continue, you can see on your left hand side the units are getting completed. You can see the tick mark on each of the unit. Complete and continue. Click on continue. Line command essentials, complete and continue. Line command practice, complete and continue. Friends, if you get a video, if you want, you can see it to the end or just scroll the cursor to the last of the video so that the video gets completed. And keep on doing the same process until you finish the course. Click on continue. Circle command essentials, complete and continue. Circle command practice, complete and continue. Demo video, continue. Arc command, complete and continue. Practice exercise, complete and continue. Arc command demo video, just scroll to the end of the video. Click on continue. Erase command, complete and continue. Practice exercise, complete and continue. Demo video, just scroll to the end. You will complete the video. Click on continue. About rectangles, complete and continue. Complete and continue. Scroll to the end of the video. Continue. Complete and continue. Practice exercise, complete and continue. Polygon command demo, continue. Moving objects, complete and continue. Practice exercise, complete and continue. Friends, if you have to go through each and every unit of this course, it will take almost a day or it will take hours together to complete the course. But by seeing this video, you can complete the course within 10 minutes and easily get a certificate. Now click on continue. Rotate command essentials, complete and continue. Rotate command practice, complete and continue. A demo video again. Scroll to the end, click on continue. Mirroring objects, complete and continue. Practice exercises, complete and continue. Friends, if you are really interested in reading all the units, you can do it. But if you need a certification in a very easy way, then you can follow this method and get a certificate very easily. I'll again click on complete and continue. Extend command practice, complete and continue. Extend command video demo, continue. Trim command, complete and continue. Friends, there are almost 71 units which we should complete to get the certification of this course. And if we want to complete each and every 71 units, then just imagine, friends, how long it will take to get a certification. Offset command demo videos, complete and continue. Join command essentials, continue. Joining objects, continue. Joining command practice, complete and continue. Friends, we are just showing you the easy way of getting a certificate, but we won't recommend you to do this. If you are really interested in knowing the concepts, then go to each and every unit, learn the concepts, understand yourselves, and then get a certificate. Practice exercise, complete and continue. Demo video, scroll to the end and click on continue. Working with blocks module, creating block command essentials, complete and continue. Practice exercise, complete and continue. Creating block command demo video, click on continue. Editing a block, click on complete and continue. Demo video, click on continue. Insert command essentials, click on complete and continue. Practice exercise, complete and continue. Demo video, go to the end of the video, click on continue. And we are at the end of module of the course. Object snap, complete and continue. Demo video, continue. Or ortho mode, continue. You can see, friends, you have completed the course. Go to my account and you can download your certificate from here. This is the certificate of the course. If you found this video to be useful, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll be getting more and more videos to you all. Have a nice day. Thanks again.